Welcome to our channel, where we explore the beauty of language and help you elevate your English skills. In today's video, we'll be focusing on an exciting expression, "Can I interest you in a night out?" This expression is commonly used to invite someone to spend an enjoyable evening together. So, let's dive into the world of English expressions and learn how to use this phrase in different situations. Let's start by breaking down the expression "Can I interest you in a night out?" into its key components. Can I indicates a polite request or invitation. Interest you in implies offering or presenting someone with an opportunity or experience. A night out refers to going out and enjoying an evening of activities or entertainment. Now that we understand the individual parts, let's explore how to use this expression in various scenarios. Scenario 1, inviting a friend. Imagine you want to invite a friend to spend a fun evening with you. You can say, "Hey, would you like to go out tonight? Can I interest you in a night out?" This expression shows your enthusiasm and interest in spending quality time together. Scenario 2, offering an experience. Suppose you're talking to a colleague or acquaintance who recently moved to the area and wants to explore the city. You can say, "If you're interested, I can show you around town. Can I interest you in a night out?" This demonstrates your willingness to share your knowledge and make their experience enjoyable. Scenario 3, suggesting a date. If you're interested in someone romantically and would like to ask them on a date, you can say, "I know this great restaurant. Can I interest you in a night out?" This expression conveys your interest and excitement in spending an evening together. Now, let's look at a few examples to help you understand how this expression can be used in different contexts. Example 1. Person A, "I'm in the mood for some live music. Are you free tonight?" Person B, "I can definitely join you. Can I interest you in a night out?" Example 2. Person A, "I have an extra ticket to the theater tonight. Wanna come?" Person B, "That sounds amazing. Can you interest me in a night out?" Example 3. Person A, "I heard about this new art exhibition happening downtown. Would you like to check it out?" Person B, "Absolutely." It's important to note that this expression can be modified to suit different situations and personalities. You can replace a night out with other phrases, such as an evening of fun, a night of adventure, or any other activity you'd like to propose. And there you have it. You've learned how to say "Can I interest you in a night out?" in English. This versatile expression can be used to invite others, suggest plans, or create exciting opportunities. Remember to use it in a friendly and enthusiastic tone to convey your genuine interest. We hope you found this video helpful in expanding your English language skills. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more language learning content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy learning!